Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Well, I am back after a very long time. Actually, I couldn't sit in front of the camera. I was just working my tutorials and I was actually a bit busy. So I thought, why not have a little bit of chit chat with you while I am taking my cup of tea. See, this is my new cup. It is written, choose joy every day. So let's choose joy for today, isn't it? Okay, and have a look what I'm having for my tiffin. See, actually I brought this from the vendor. I like eating this. Let me taste how it is. So friends, recently we had got an order for a bento cake, a small type of cake which is called the bento cake, and my cousin baked it as well as decorated it. Usually I do the baking, she does the decoration, but this time she did everything. So let's check how she has done the cake, how she has decorated the cake. And friends, the ones who are interested in baking will surely find this video interesting. And in the beginning of the video only, I am requesting you all, if you like the video, to give a thumbs up, do share it with your friends and family members, and do show some love to plants, crochet, cooking and more. So let us watch what my cousin did with the bento cake.
Your special day is here at last. This year has gone too fast. We've heard it's true, it won't be long. We're here to sing your birthday song. Got no worries, got no blues. Get up, put on your dancing shoes. We'll bake a cake, 'cause we can't wait. We can't wait to celebrate with you. Because today's your day. We're so happy to say, we're so happy that you were born. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Today's your day. We're so happy to say, we're so happy that you were born. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Of all the days we won't forget to celebrate your best year yet. Fun and joy, smiles and laughter. Wish you happy ever after. Got no worries, got no blues. Get up, put on your dancing shoes. We'll bake a cake, 'cause we can't wait. We can't wait to celebrate, it's true. Because today's your day. We're so happy to say, we're so happy that you were born. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Today's your day. We're so happy to say, we're so happy that you were born. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Love, love, love. It's your birthday. Love, love, love. It's the best day. Love, love, love. It's your birthday. Love, love, love. It's the best day.
for watching. Do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing. It is bye bye for today. Bye bye.